Okay, here's the example that you sent me, and we'll go ahead and run this through the Router-CIM and SolidCIM software. So I'm opening this in SolidWorks, and there's not much to it. You've got the material name right here, and it'll use this as the part name. And I picked the button called SolidCIM Connect. And this begins the automatic feature recognition process. And that will make us a drawing with geometry on different layers. And a cut list. And I'll right click on the cut list and pick cut. Here's the CSV file. And there it is right there. It's called CSV. And if we lay the part out flat, you could see here what we generated. Oh, I'm sorry, here it is. It made something on layer emboss. And here it made something on layer pocket. And there's going to be some counter bores. They're going to be on the bottom on the layer called C-bore bottom when it gets exported. And then layer outside here. Right here's layer outside. So it just exported all that. And then I right click on that CSV file. And I can pick cut with Router-CIM. So that's going to make just one of them. Or I could just start in Router-CIM automation and pick import and import that cut list and put in quantity 2. It imports it. It knows how to cut those layers. And because there was a counterbore on one side, countersink on the other side, I have it turned on for 2-sided nesting. So I have this embossing geometry all on a layer that gets engraved. I have like a little V-bit set up to go at whatever depth you drew it at. And there was just one of them in this example. I could have copied it in SolidWorks to get quantity 2. Or I could have changed the cut list so it said quantity 2. Or now I'll change the job to quantity 2. Sorry about that. I should have remembered that, but I did not. But here it is here. Quantity 2. And I do have this set for backside nesting. So we run that now. That's what it does. It flips it over. You put the sheet on the table upside down, and it does all the backside operations and trims the edge of the sheet. So when you flip it over, it's a trimmed edge. It goes back up against the pins, and then it does the front side. And I think I also have this set for stay down nesting, so the 2 pieces will be connected together with the stay down operation. That's the front side. And then the back side had those counter bores. And we get two programs. We got the back side program and the front side program. And it saves the nested drawing here. There's the 3D solid. So it had countersinks on the top, counter bores on the bottom, and that's how it did it right there. And the reason the counter bores on the bottom, because there was more material removed on this top than the other sides. That's why it does it like that. And then the rest is all engraving. Let's see, where did layer? Put that on a layer called pocket here, and put that on a pocket layer. I did not have a toolpath. Oh, I did have a toolpath on it. It's on the front side. There's the toolpath. I associated layer pocket with engraving, and that's why it did this right here. All of this engraved too. So it went to the depth that you drew it at. And that's the Router-CIM and Solid-CIM in a nutshell, right from your own assembly.